So let's have a look at the YSAGi desk mat. I'm gonna go over this desk mat, put this thing through the test with putting oil and water over it, then show you just what it looks like with a keyboard, mouse on it, and then I'm gonna talk about my experiences with this desk mat to help you make an informed buying decision. So let's just go ahead and unbox the desk mat here. So it does come in many different colors. And what's great about this desk mat, it is double-sided. So you can see the different colors that they offer right here on the packaging, and you can see the different sides that it has. So that's really nice. A lot of desk mats don't have dual-sided colors, so this gives you different options for your colors, which is really nice. Okay, we got the 30-day warranty on this. Let's go ahead and take out the mat. We got a little strap that we can wrap around here to keep it tight. Let's go ahead and unroll it. So this does come in 3 different sizes, a 27.6 by 13.7, that's this desk mat, and there's a 31.5 by 15.7, and a 35.4 by 17. So first impressions here, it feels really smooth, really nice on the main side. Let's go ahead and flip it over. It also feels really smooth as well. So of course, why you'd want a desk mat, have your desk look nice and professional, clean, and also just having something that separates the desk from whatever you have on top of it. Of course, you can have your mouse, your computer, your phone, coffee mug. So you will need to flatten this out a little bit if you want to use the other side. But once you have some use on it, this should flatten out. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like with having a keyboard on there. So it looks really nice. So I actually got these to shoot product reviews. So having this nice backdrop right here really makes a big difference. Instead of just having the same backdrop, you can match the color to the product, contrast the colors, just to let it pop a little bit more. Okay, then we'll add the mouse on here. So the one thing with the mouse, you can use it without a mouse pad. So it is nice and smooth. It doesn't stick like a lot of desk mats do. So this is definitely a good setup for your keyboard and mouse. So this is the smaller one. If you wanted to have your laptop on there, you definitely want to get a bigger size. I'll go ahead and show you. Just pull this down a little bit and pull over my MacBook Air. So there's my MacBook Air. See, it's not quite on there, so you would again want the bigger size. And then of course that could fit on there once you have the bigger size. It can be your all-in-one solution for a desk mat, for having all 3 of these things on here, as well as a coffee mug or a glass. So overall, really good feel to it and gives a clean and professional look. Okay, so now let's put some water and some oil on this and see how it does. Okay, so first the water, pour it right on the middle here. Pour a good amount on there. All right, so of course, let's say you spill, see how that wipes up. Have a paper towel here, and I could not even tell that there was water on there 2 seconds ago. Of course, it's still a little bit damp, but that does clean up really nicely. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Let's try the other side now. Okay, pour the water on. Looks like the same. Go and clean it up. It cleans up really quickly again. And you can't even tell there was water on there. Of course, still slightly damp. Let's go and feel the other side. I can't even tell there was water on here. So yeah, if you spill water on here, you could easily just clean it up. No problem at all. Doesn't look like it's ruined either. Doesn't look like it's faded at all. So it passes the water test. Now the oil test. So it says it's oil proof. So let's go ahead and test that as well. Just put a little bit of oil on here. Right? I don't know why you'd have canola oil over your desk, but let's just say you're eating and something's greasy. Could have canola oil. All right, so let's clean this up. Okay, so it's definitely making more of a stain, and that was quite a lot of oil on this. It's still cleaning up pretty nicely though. You can definitely tell there was an oil spot there. Going to get some water on this paper towel, clean it up a little bit better. Okay, so that's definitely looking a lot better. You can still tell a little bit that there was some oil, but this is definitely cleaning up nicely though. I was expecting that big blotch of oil just to stay there, but this is cleaning off. Go to feel it. It does not feel like there was oil there. Wow, okay. So, it does pass the oil proof test. It takes a little bit longer to clean up and needs some water, but it does work. Try the other side. I imagine it's the same. I'll just put a little bit less oil this time. Okay, so there's your oil. Spread it around a little bit. And then go ahead and clean it up. And again, you can't really tell it's there, just a little bit of a blotch. Doesn't really feel like there's oil there. So who is this mat really for? Really anyone who wants a good looking setup for their desk or is doing any type of shooting with videos. This could work really well as a little backdrop like it is here. So this desk mat really has everything that you want it to have. It has two sides, different colors, so in case you get bored of one color, it is waterproof, it is oil proof, it looks good, comes in different sizes. So in my opinion, this is definitely a desk mat worth checking out.